Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And first customer today, it's an I think 09 CRV. Is it 09? No, 08. So, let's complain of this car. It has this severe grinding sound from the rear. What he told me. So let's confirm the complaint. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's just listen. You hear that? I think it's coming from the other side. Okay, let's hear one more. Right there. If you hear that, it's like a grinding sound between the brake pad and the rotor. Well, he said it's a very severe, but it seems like it's not like all the time. Right there. Alright, let's check the tire. Okay. Wow, it's metal to metal now. Okay. Let's check the other side. Oh, I think it's not a stuck caliper. It's a worn brake pad. So let's remove the tire and check the pad. So again, it's not a stuck caliper because the tire is moving freely. So most likely it's the pad. So we're using number 12 socket. Okay, maybe. So I decided to remove both of the bolt for easy access. And moment of truth, let's see. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's already worn. No wonder it creates a sound. You know what? Let's press this one. Okay, we're using C-clamp. And we're using this old the bigger one. Alright. Oh, it's not stuck up. It's very smooth. So it's not the caliper. It's just that there's a worn brake pad. Alright. Still looks good. See that? Let's clean this up. Sliding pin. And let's put some grease. Some silicone grease. Come on. There's no more. Here we go. Okay. Alright. Same thing in here. Put some grease. There you go. Nice one. Alright. Nice. Alright, let's remove this too. Just gonna wipe it. Alright. And also we are going to remove this one right here. So let's use a flat screwdriver. Just like this. Yep. Just wipe it. And there you go. Now let's get a new brake pad and install it. Alright. We bought a new brake pad. It's $129 Canadian dollar right here. It's right Pestos. Okay, let's put it on. And also we got the hardware. So let's put this first. So the way we put it like this. So press it. Then this. There you go. Nice. Nice. Then let's put this one there. Other side. Oops. Okay. Now, split the new pad. Put some lubricant. Okay. This one. And put some brake lubrication. Now, oops, the way we to put it is like this.
Hindi kaya man.
Sa dami na nila. Ganun talaga. Yan. Ang gaganda. Ano na yan, ha? Yung mga lugar na talagang best of the best na lugar na yung mga yan. Diba? Hindi mo na masasabing
Dapat yung mga kabataan yung magnanakaw na.
hindi mo na masasabing lugar na kumbaga word ano na yan. Sabihin mo ng world class o ano, di ba?
Pero mo yung sinasabi mo sa
puro ano na rin doon. Talagang pero doon sa amin, hindi lang pang ano, ang bilis ng ano, yung improvement. Yung mga lugar na walang McDonald's, walang Jollibee, ngayon meron na. Kaya maganda mag-business doon sa amin. Kaya kung may pera lang ako sa ang una kong ano yung gasolinahan. Grabe na doon. Yung ano ng yung bilis ng ekonomiya doon. Ramdam mo eh. Hindi na siya parang nayong liblib na nayon. Masasabi mo na talagang nag-i-improve na rin. Inaano ko yung kapatid ko na mag-business kami. Kahit anong klaseng business na kasi marami ng tao eh. No more. No more grinding sound. It's already fixed. That's it. Nice. Where's that? Wow. Compare it. No wonder. Brake pad. Alright, done. So alright, so let's test drive the car and let's see if we are still this grinding sounds. So a while ago the grinding sounds coming from here, so I'm gonna put my camera in here and then I'm gonna keep quiet. Alright, there you go. There's no more. It's already fixed. So that's how you diagnose and fix a car with a grinding sound every time you brake. So it's not always brake stuck brake caliper. So it's better to perform a visual inspection, and that's what we did in here. And we found out that it has a very worn rear brake pad. So I hope you like this video, and if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.